high, the moon is bright. Ramadan is here tonight. A month of peace, a month of light, filling hearts with pure delight. We wake at dawn, it's time to eat. Suhoor is always such a treat. Then we fast throughout the day, learning patience on our way. No harsh words, no selfish deeds, helping those who are in need. Prayers we say, the Quran we read, growing kindness like a seed. At sunset we break our fast, sharing joy that always lasts. Day to water swells so wide, with love and faith all side by side. Ramadan brings us close and near, a time to give, a time so dear. So let's be grateful, pure and true. May Allah's blessings shine on you. Ramadan brings us close and near, a time to give, a time so dear. So let's be grateful, pure and true. May Allah's blessings shine on you.